Have you ever wanted to tell a coworker about your day in English and suddenly you only know one word? Do? You say, I do this, I do that, and then silence. Today, we're going to fix that with easy past tense.
Yes, that my brain is empty moment is so real. Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Ears. I'm Monica.
And I'm Jack.
Today we're practicing talking about your day, past tense. Simple, clear, and natural.
A2 to B1 level. Short sentences, useful phrases, and we'll repeat a lot.
And we'll share little stories like real life, not textbook life.
Exactly.
Okay, first, why do we even need past tense for today?
Because most of today already happened. This morning happened. Lunch happened. Even 5 minutes ago happened.
Right, but many beginners say present tense, like I go to work, I eat lunch. That sounds like a routine.
Yes, present tense is for habits, like I go to work every day. But for today, we want past tense, I went to work.
So let's do a super simple starter kit. 5 verbs you use every day.
Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had. Meet, met. Feel, felt.
Okay, repeat with us in your head or out loud. I went, I ate, I had, I met, I felt.
Nice. Now let's build a tiny story. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Jack, tell me about yesterday in 3 parts. Keep it easy.
Okay. Yesterday morning, I woke up early. I made coffee. I checked my emails.
Oh, same. I checked emails too early and I felt stressed. I was like, why did I do that?
Yeah, email can hurt. In the afternoon, I had 2 calls. I wrote a report. I ate a late lunch.
What did you eat?
I ate a sandwich. Nothing fancy.
Simple is good. And the evening?
In the evening, I cooked pasta. I watched a short show. Then I went to bed at 11.
Perfect. That's already a full day in past tense.
Now we make it sound smoother.
How?
Step 2, time words. They guide your listener.
Yes, time words make your story easy to follow. Try these. This morning, around noon, in the afternoon, later, after that, at night, finally.
Here's a model. This morning, I woke up early. Then I made coffee. After that, I checked emails. Around noon, I ate lunch. Later, I worked. Finally, I went to bed.
I love after that. It's simple, but it sounds very natural.
And around is great when you don't know the exact time. Around 3, around 6.
Quick practice for listeners. Say one sentence with this morning, like this morning I went or this morning I had.
Take 1 second, say it.
Nice. Now one sentence with later. Later I met, later I ate, later I worked.
Great. Tiny practice, big progress.
Okay, step 3, regular and irregular verbs. This part used to scare me.
Don't overthink it. Regular verbs end with ed. Worked, cleaned, watched, called, answered.
And irregular verbs change form. Went, ate, made, took, saw, got.
Exactly.
I have to admit, I said I goed for a long time.
Many people do. English is not always logical.
So what should people do?
Use the most common irregular verbs again and again because you need them the most.
Okay, give us a short list.
Go, went. Get, got. Make, made. Take, took. See, saw. Buy, bought. Tell, told. Think, thought.
Let's use them in a real chat. Jack, what time did you get up today?
I got up at 7.
Did you make breakfast?
Yes, I made toast. Then I took a shower.
Did you go anywhere?
Yes, I went to the office, but the train was late, so I arrived late.
Oh no, train problems. I had that last week too. I waited on the platform and I felt so annoyed.
Same feeling. At lunch, I bought soup. I thought it was chicken soup, but it was spicy fish soup.
Spicy fish soup at work? Wow, that's risky.
My eyes watered. My coworker saw me and gave me water. I thanked him like 10 times.
That is such a real moment, and it's great practice. Bought, thought, saw.
Exactly.
Okay, step 4. Short answer, medium answer, long answer. Because in real life, we don't always talk a lot.
Yes, sometimes you're tired, sometimes you're busy, so you choose.
Okay, I'll ask one question. You answer in 3 ways. Ready?
Ready.
How was your day?
Short, good. Medium, it was good. I worked a lot. Long, it was good but busy. I had meetings, I wrote a report, and I dealt with a late train. In the end, I felt relieved.
Perfect. Listeners, remember, short is okay, medium is safe, long is for connection.
And you can start short and add more, like, it was okay. Actually, something happened.
Step 5. Questions and negatives. This is where people make small mistakes.
The key word is did. Questions, did you? Negatives, I didn't.
And after did, use the base verb, not past. So, did you go, not did you went.
Exactly.
Let's practice like a real conversation. I'll ask fast, you answer easy.
Okay.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did. I ate toast.
Did you see anyone you know?
Yes, I did. I saw an old friend. We talked for 5 minutes.
Did you buy anything today?
No, I didn't. I didn't buy anything.
Did you go to the gym?
No, I didn't. I didn't go.
Nice. And listeners, notice didn't plus base verb. I didn't go. I didn't buy.
If you make a mistake, just correct it. I didn't go. That's normal.
I do that too. Even in my first language, I correct myself sometimes.
Totally normal.
Step 6. Connectors. These words make your story flow. And, but, so, because.
Yes, they are small but powerful.
Give us examples.
I felt tired because I slept late. The train was late, so I arrived late. I wanted to cook, but I was too tired.
Oh, wow, that last one is my life. I wanted to cook, but I ordered food.
That's very honest.
Let's do a quick mini practice. Jack, one sentence with so and one with but.
So, my meeting ended late, so I missed my bus. But, I wanted to relax, but I had one more email.
Great. Listeners, try one. I wanted to, but... Say it now.
Good.
Step 7. Feelings. Because actions are not enough. Your day has emotion.
Yes, feelings make your story human.
I used to only say actions, like I worked, I ate, I slept, but it felt cold.
So add simple feeling words. Tired, happy, excited, nervous, upset, relieved, proud.
And you can use I felt or I was. I felt tired. I was tired. Both are fine.
Right.
Presentations always make me nervous. I remember my first one. My hands were cold.
I remember mine too. My voice shook, and I spoke too fast.
Same. And I forgot a word. I said, the thing. It was painful.
But you finished. That matters.
Okay, I'll tell a tiny story in past tense. Yesterday, I lost my keys.
Oh no, what happened?
I came home, I looked in my bag, no keys. I checked my pockets, no keys. I felt worried because it was getting dark. Then I remembered. I put them in my jacket. I found them. I felt relieved.
That is perfect past tense and very real life.
Thank you. And it shows a simple pattern. Problem, feeling, solution, feeling.
That pattern is great for speaking.
Step 8. The daily template. A simple structure you can copy.
Here it is. Today was. This morning I. Then I. In the afternoon I. Later I. At night I felt because. Overall it was.
Let me try. Today was busy. This morning I woke up late. Then I rushed to my desk. In the afternoon I joined a call. Later I finished a task. At night I ordered noodles. I felt tired because I didn't sleep well. Overall it was a long day.
Clear and natural. My turn. Yesterday was pretty good. This morning I went for a short walk. Then I made coffee. In the afternoon I worked on a project. Later I met a friend. At night I cooked at home. I felt calm because I had time. Overall, it was a good day.
I felt calm because I had time. I love that sentence.
Time is peace.
So true.
Step 9. Mini game. 2 true, 1 fake.
Yes, I love this game, and you can play along at home.
Okay, 3 sentences about my day. 2 are true, 1 is fake. 1. I bought a new jacket. 2. I spilled coffee on my shirt. 3. I gave a presentation to 10 people.
I think the jacket is fake.
Correct. I didn't buy a jacket, but I did spill coffee and I did give a presentation.
Oh no, coffee. Tell us what happened.
I tried to open a door with my elbow. The cup tilted. Coffee went everywhere. People saw it. I felt embarrassed.
Oh, I had that too. I dropped tea once at work. Everyone was quiet for 1 second. I wanted to disappear.
And now you can tell that story in English. That's a win.
Step 10. Workplace phrases in past tense. Easy ones you can use tomorrow.
Here are some. I had a busy day. I had a lot of meetings. I worked on a project. I finished a task. I replied to emails. I ran into a problem. I fixed it. I learned something new.
I ran into a problem is so useful. It sounds very natural.
Yes, yesterday I ran into a file problem. I couldn't open it. I asked IT. They fixed it fast. I felt grateful.
IT is like magic sometimes.
True.
Step 11. Common mistakes. Quick fixes. No lecture, just helpful.
Mistake 1. Mixing present and past. Wrong. I go to work and I met my boss. Better. I went to work and I met my boss.
Mistake 2. Did you went? Better, did you go?
Mistake 3. I didn't went. Better. I didn't go.
Mistake 4. Missing was, were. Not, I happy. Say, I was happy. I was tired.
The verb is important. The verb is the bridge.
Yes, I used to say, I very tired. My friend smiled and waited for the verb.
We all learn that way.
Step 12. A short role play, like 2 coworkers chatting.
Let's do it.
Hey Jack, how was your day?
Oh, it was busy. I had 2 meetings. I worked on a report, and I fixed a small problem.
What kind of problem?
My computer was slow. I restarted it. Then it worked.
Oh, I had that yesterday too. I felt so annoyed.
How was your day?
It was okay. This morning I missed the bus, so I walked. In the afternoon I answered emails. At night I relaxed a bit. I felt tired because I didn't sleep well.
That sounds like real life.
And that's the goal. Real life English you can use.
Bonus tip: change routine into today.
Yes, because many people only know routine English.
Routine: I go to work. Today, I went to work. Routine: I have lunch at 1. Today, I had lunch at 1. Routine, I meet my team. Today, I met my team.
Listeners, pick one routine sentence from your life and change it to past. Just one.
Nice.
2 extra time phrases that help a lot. Last night and earlier. Last night, I watched a movie. Earlier, I sent an email.
Simple and useful.
Okay, quick recap. Past tense for today, time words, regular and irregular verbs, questions with did, negatives with didn't, connectors, feelings, and a daily template.
Now your action step. In the comments, write 3 sentences about your day in past tense.
Only 3. Keep it easy, and add one question too, like, did you cook today or did you work today?
We may reply with a sample answer in the next video.
If this helped you, please subscribe to Easy English Ears and share this with a friend who freezes in past tense.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye!